Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my almost daily life with my family, friends, pets, some DIY projects, and even some cooking. So thanks for watching and let's get started. Hi guys, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day if you're a mother, grandmother, stepmom, any kind of a mom, pet mom. And it's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin today. It's pretty warm. I would say in the 60s, my favorite weather. And not too much going on. I just thought maybe I would pick up the yard a little bit, get outside and get some fresh air. I'm not going to overdo myself, but I'm out here enjoying the nice weather anyway. Hope you're having a good day. Talk to you soon. Don't overdo too much, but I got the vacuum out, vacuumed up under the stairs again. My daughter did already, but some more stuff flew under there. And then I got some more vacuuming over here. Got this part done. And I'm going to hang something there to hang the hose up. Our grandson Elijah came over for a little bit while his mom was working and dad, and he enjoyed playing one-on-one with the little dinosaurs. He loves dinosaurs and Mawakawa, and he likes cars and motorcycles, so it was pretty fun. Had a really nice time one-on-one, and I really cherished that. Let's see, it's 3:11 in the morning, and we took a trip to the emergency because my husband's hand swelled up. We're not sure what's going on. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's looking better. It was really swollen earlier. I think maybe he bumped it out raking. We're not sure, but we're waiting for the x-rays to get back so we know what to expect. Well, the docs came back in, said that there was no broken bones or anything under there hiding. That's dangerous, but he may have bumped it while raking out the yard. Not too sure, but it sure did swell up and it was quite scary. He's on blood thinners, so we have to be really careful with any kind of swelling like that. And so I ended up getting to bed about 4:30 in the morning. Maybe, I know the birds were chirping and the sun was coming up, so I just fell right to sleep. I woke up about 10:30 in the morning, so all is good. He's home resting and right, Sneaker. Yeah. Well, I have to show you this. Our daughter came over the other day and went out to Menards and bought a layer of bricks and lined them all up and got some mulch. She did a wonderful job. She worked so hard. I think she was here 9 hours that day. Oh, there's the birds. They're not too afraid of me. Everything's coming up. And I love it. Turned out so good. I'm going to put some flowers in there so they kind of run down because I don't know how to fix it. So I'll just put flowers in there. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. Turned out wonderful. The other side along the sidewalk that she did, and she put more brick, another layer there, put more mulch in there, and I love it. It helped. I have some stuff that I'm cleaning, but yeah, it looks so good. She did all the weeding and did an excellent job. Well, on the same day, my daughter was here cleaning in the yard doing her landscaping. I was kind of watching Elijah, and he went over on the other side of the house and the side where our son lives. And up in the pine tree, there's some baby squirrels, and I knew the mom kept going up there to give them food and stuff, but I went over there just to take a peek, and there was a two live squirrels sitting on a dead squirrel. The dead squirrel was upside down, and I don't know what happened for sure, but I know that my cleaning rag was in there, and it somehow the mom got that in her nest, and the babies got intertwined with their tails and fell out of the nest. And my neighbor said that they were hanging on a screen, so they were probably trying to get help. And so I couldn't do anything with my hand, the way I had my arm after surgery. But my daughter was so patient. She went over there and we just told them, be still, be quiet, and they were. And she was able to get them, like, cut the rag out and stuff. And yeah, she was able to free the little squirrels. One has a shorter tail. I don't know how long they were like that. It was just awful. I've never seen that before. But I'm so thankful that she was able to get them out of the nest, and now they're running all around underneath that pine tree over there. It's so cute. Now the neighbor on the other side feeds them, and we feed them. So we have white squirrels and now gray baby squirrels running around. They're not so little, but they're so cute. Good morning. Today I am going to dice up some ham and then leave this ham for later for sandwiches. And then I'm going to make a salad, and it's some kind of ham.
A good ham, it looks like. And then I'm going to put a little cheese, and I'm not sure what else. Maybe an avocado. That would be good. A little bit of ham in there. Now I'm going to add some extra sharp cheddar cheese, a little bit, and then some dressing. And I did find an avocado, so I'm going to chop that up and put that in there.
It's 3:30 in the afternoon, but this will be my early supper also. I found some bacon bits and I put on top, and I'm gonna mix it up. I can only do things with my one hand right now, but that pooped on the rug in the back porch. Hmm? Did you do it? Did you poop on my rug in the back porch? Hmm? Somebody pooped on my nice rug in the back porch. I'm trying to decide who did it. Anyway, I still have to scrub where one of the dogs did their doo-doo mess back here, but I've been cleaning up back here, and springtime comes a lot of work, but I at least have some time that I'm off work now, and I can work back here and get a few things done. I brought some of my plants back. I think I showed you in my other video, but I wanted to say some really high comments about this carpet stain and soil remover. It works really good and it smells fantastic. So I'm working at those spots on the carpet. My son had an extra refrigerator he brought over, so I'm going to store some water in there, some pop and some Diet Pop and whatever for the grandkids when they come over. They can just come out here and help themselves to juice or pop. And I'm going to get some more those magic erasers. They work so good. That will take all of this off. Not that that's a big deal, but But yeah, otherwise it's in really good shape. I turned it up on high, and hopefully it'll stay nice and cool. But thanks for watching today. I'm just going to relax a little bit, relax my arm. I don't have my sling in right now because that thing is so hot and warm that I burn up from it. So I take it off more than I wear it nowadays. But it does wear me out, so I have to kind of rest in between doing stuff. But other than that, not too much else going on, and I'm just going to take it easy for a little bit, let the dogs out, and enjoy the nice sunset. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Do you have anything good to say to anybody? Huh? Yeah? What do you have to say? Okay, say bye-bye. Love you. It's nice out here on the porch, isn't it? Oh my goodness. All the birdies. Thanks for leaving the birdies alone. And the bunnies. And the squirrels. Yeah, it's so good boys. And the quote of the day is,